So how do you add a logo to the iPhone email signature? So let me explain it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe to Foxtecc so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, there are a few things I tried, like if I go to the settings and apps and find the mail app in here somewhere, there is going to be the ability to manage the signature. So you can see that it is right there, and I actually tried to like paste the photo in there and it would kind of work. Like I tried to paste my logo in here, but it actually pasted, but it doesn't fully work. It's not like officially supported. So I don't know, perhaps it might work out for you. You can try pasting it, but this is what showed up for me. So what I came to as a conclusion is that the logo in email signature on the iPhone is not going to work with the built-in Apple Mail app, but there are some third-party apps and mail clients, like very commonly used and known apps, for example, things like Outlook from Microsoft, which do allow you much deeper control about things like signature. So I know that the best solution is not to switch to a different app or something, but this is the only way I could really make it work. And in here, what you can see, I'm signed in with my account, right? It might be Gmail, but you can as well sign in with like any account in there, right? You can literally just add any account you want. But my point is that once you have it set up in the Outlook, you can tap on your profile, go to settings, and a part of the signature menu, you can see that we can add not only the text, but also images. So it works like officially. You can literally open up and pull up the gallery and paste the images in there. And if you are using Gmail or something else, for example, and you switch over to the Outlook mail, in here you actually have the ability to paste the logo into the signature. So just something which you might be interested in checking out. Yeah, it's just how it is. If anything changes in the future, I'll definitely update you about it. But for now, that's it. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you later.